Hey guys, we're going to do. I'm gonna be pretend scamming. It's a pretend scamming. I'm just gonna try out what scamming looks like. I'm not actually gonna scam. It's just it's just gonna be a pretend scam. It's not gonna be real.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys.
So I can see I'm gonna move my box.
So let's pretend.
Guys, if you want to see more content on my channel, make sure to subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe to my channel too, guys. Want Robux? Want Robux? Want Robux? You want Robux? You want Robux? Anybody want Robux? Anybody? Oh no! Want Robux?
Asking for the
Want Robux?
prize? Okay, let's not do that. It's a little too much pressure.
Go
Take
to
Robux.
Robux.me. To go to Robux.me. Want Robux, people, guys. This is gonna take forever. I might make a Beast One video next, guys, so stay tuned for that. Oh my gosh. Come on, you're my mommy. Want. Guys, we're scamming right now. We're pretend scamming.
Yo.
We're just pretending, guys. We're not actually scamming. We don't even have a Robux like that. Robux. Robux. Want anybody want Robux? Yeah, guys, we don't actually scam. We're just making a video. We're just pretending. One Robux little girl. Okay. What, they can hear me. I don't want to be an avatar editor. I want to be a hacker. I mean, not a hacker. I want to like my skin. And we're just pretending to be scammers, people, just so you know. And they can't hear me. Because it's on Roblox. You guys can hear me. Want Robux? Want Robux? Robux. Want Robux? Anybody want Robux? Want Robux, little girl? You want Robux? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna say want Robux. Robux. Want Robux? Want Robux? Yes, they actually believe it. They actually believe you're scammers. Sam, what did Sam? Then go to Robux.me.
Tired of scams?
Tired of scams? Tired of scams?
Go to Robux.me. Tired of scams?
Tired of
JK.
Do a JK.
Okay, I'm not gonna do it yet.
Then go to Robux. Robbie Bucks.
That's what
.me. Want Robux? They go to Robux.me. They go to Robux.me. Yeah, guys. We are building this. This is actually working, guys. I didn't think it was gonna work, cause you know nobody believes us. It worked last time. Want Robux, little girl? Want Robux? I'll kick your butt if you don't stop talking to me. Want Robux? Tired of scams, people. Tired of talk to this. Tired of scams. Tired of scams. Tired of scams. Tired of scams. Anybody tired of scams? Want Robux?
Okay, so now I'm gonna go to actual person. Let's get it.
Robux? Tired of scams. I want to see if I can type fast. Tired of scams.
This person said yeah.
Tired of scams. He's gonna go to Robux.
Guys, let's go. This is too much.
I'm gonna Robux.net.
Guys, smash.
Yes, it's working, guys!
Here's the like button.
Yay! I'm so excited, guys.
And here's
One
the
Robux.
like button. Ding, like button. Ding, 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 ding. Okay, guys.
Want Robux? Anybody want Robux? It's I'm so excited, guys. So excited. And over here, guys.
Then go to
Tired of scams.
Then go to
Tired of scams, guys. Who's tired of scams? Like, I'm tired of scams right now. I'm tired of scams. So now we're scammers, so we're not tired of scams anymore. Yay! Let's see what my house looks like. Let's see what my house looks like. Oh my god! This house is so beautiful. Yeah, new house. You want Robux? Nobody cares about me anymore. Anybody want Robux? Want Robux? Want Robux? I want Robux. Guys, I'm gonna do one more person, then I might end the video here. Are you?
Yeah, I'm gonna do one more person, but it's gonna be a cute person. A cute person, right?
Just want a cute person.
Wow, there's tons of cute people in
A
here.
little dumb girl.
Okay, let's go, guys. Wait, so let's go see. Let's go to someone. A cute person? Do I see
The cute person is so dumb. Like,
that guy? That person
guys don't like cute people in Eve City. Do you know why? Because they're like, oh my god, I want my dad. I want my mom on my dad.
Yeah.
You want to marry me? I want my mama. Oh my god, why do I keep going back and forth? I want my dad. That's what they're like. Oh my god. Oh, I want my mommy. That's what they're like.
Guys, also don't like
Yeah, let's go
cute
find
people. You
them.
know why?
Yeah, they're so
Because
dumb. They're just like, mommy, I want my mommy. Yeah, adopt me. Oh my god, I want my daddy. Oh no, that's not happening.
Yeah, and also
Now let's go
girl,
find
guys.
somebody to hack scam. For
Guys,
pretend.
I think
It's
that's
pretend.
the rest of the
Guys,
video.
it's pretend. It's pretend.
I think that's the rest of the video. I think 2 people are on our side.
Yeah, guys, I don't think we can do anymore. I can't find anybody. Can you?
No, but 2 people were on our side. They actually thought we were not scammers.
Yeah.
Guys, now it's time to go to someone that we actually saw, that we said to, and we're going to say it's a prank. Robux.
I'm not doing it.
Robux was a prank.
It's
XD.
It's a scam. No, it's a prank. I remember it's a
Prank, guys. It's a prank.
It's a prank, guys.
I just wrote XD in the chat.
Shift XD. XD. Okay, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to smash that like button. Smash.
Guys,
Smash that like button, guys. We'll try to hit 4,000 subscribers. Please, guys. That'll do anything to me in 4,000 likes. I hope you guys like this video, and bye.